Hello, Frank. See your birthday, girl. Oh my God! Tama. Since you mentioned it. Guys, punta kayo sa birthday show ko. That's February 15. At Rampa Club. I'll be performing with, for sure, the iconic Papansin Squad. From Drag Race Philippines Season 3, Kiana, Angel. House of Ding, for sure. So, Breaks is coming as well. Felicia, Bombading. And then, Drag Den Girl, Odasha. My favorite. And then, basta yun. Punta kayo ng birthday show ko. I swear. No. I'm just gonna say, just celebrate it with me. So, please come to my birthday show. Ang lineup ng performances ay we'll have Doechii, Siza, Victoria Monet, FKA Twig, Beyonce, for sure, and many more. Tsaka, if you guys wanna see mag-duet kami ni Kiana for the first time, right? For the first time. Alter Ego, what about that? What about that? Right?
Sorry, nakakalaro pa sa dyan.
Alam ko pwede may... Pwede ba minor sa rampa? I'm not sure eh.
Pwede ba sa
Pwede ba sa may... Pwede ba sa 18? Pwede ba sa may guidance? I forget.
May
yeah,
tapos
pwede
may voucher.
When and where? Rampa, February 15. Please come to my show, okay? No, pwede. Basta may consent. Basta may pipirmahang waiver. Waiver, tama. Yeah, waiver. Please, punta kayo. Oh my God. It's gonna be the best. Patugtukan na, Sisa.